everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 28th of February to the 4th of March 2022 on Monday. Tati learns the deep secret Pumlan has been keeping from her. Melusi Ntokozo tried to find a way out of Kokoko's demand on Tuesday. Melusi shocks the wedding guest with what he has to say. Paranoid, Ntokozo tried his best to avoid Kokoko on Wednesday. Melusi learns that ladies will not go back on her word. Stompy and Brain decide to put an end to Stompy for good on Thursday. Tata tried to offer an olive branch to Gugu. Teddy brings home an unexpected guest on Friday. Buhle is determined to stay out of Tati's business with Gugu. Mazet is certain that Stumo will finish Stompy off in hospital. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.